Hello दोस्तों, I'm Shweta Parmar once again welcomes you on the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam. Today, the topic which I have come along with you is why time management is important for UPSC and CSE examinations. As we all know, the time is precious and the time that is gone is never returning back to you. So we can never have more than 24 hours in a day, and that is why time stands so crucial, my dear friends. But why managing time needs special efforts for civil services examinations? Have you ever thought of that? It is a very important thing, my dear friends. Civil services examination process takes a time period extending up to almost a year. Its preparation is not one day or a week or a month's job. It has to be well planned, and the entire syllabus has to be covered first, even before you think of taking the preliminary examinations. A totally different time schedule is required when you are going to take up the examinations. So civil services aspirants must know this thing, that time management is really important factor of giving these examinations, for making this strategy and to plan to give the exams successfully. So how to utilize the preparation time before the exams? There are many questions in our mind. How to utilize the preparation time before the exams? How many hours one needs to put in per day to qualify these exams? Or how to schedule the timetable of studying? There are many questions like this which came across our mind. So let's discuss few of them in detail. When is time management is required? First question should be this. So during the early preparation of the exam, before appearing in the preliminary examinations, when you are actually taking the examinations for both preliminary and the mains, finally time management is also required when you are answering the questions within the allotted time. It's also for the written examinations. So manage time before, during and after different stages of examinations is a great task, and you all have to master it. A 3 months strict time schedule has to be put up for prelims preparation, and it's the time to increase your time slot from 6 to 8 hours per day. During the last 1 month, start taking the actual mock test and see to it where you stand, how much good you are doing, and how can you manage the time to cover the entire question paper within the allocated time, because you have given a few hours of time for the examination. It's not the whole day, it's not the whole week, it's not the whole month. In the examination hall, you have an allocated time in which you have to complete your paper. So this can make you confident to face the preliminary examinations without any panic if you go through your time management skills and make a plan and a strategy and plan your day according to the strategy. Similarly, after qualifying the prelims, put a new time schedule for the mains examinations. There are 9 papers in the main exams, as I have already told you, and each of them requires written answers free from spelling and grammatical mistakes and in very legible handwriting. So as the main syllabus is huge, the preparation time needs to be scaled to a minimum of 10 hours per day. Seriously, my friends, you have to stick on it, because if you have to prepare good, if you have to write good, if you have to do your best in the examination, you have to make this a strategy. And how to effectively manage your time? Should also be the question in your minds. What I can suggest you is, know and prioritize your goals. Learn to say no. Learn from the experience. To avoid wasting time, take 15 minutes to put together a list of tasks for the next day. Make a to-do list for small tasks. Effectively read a topic in daily newspapers or any magazine or any book you are having. Make your studying habits very effective. I can suggest you some steps to follow. One is reading. Second is taking notes. Third is revising. Fourth is taking regular tests. So why I'm telling you to take regular tests? Because taking tests not only provides you the progress chart of your studies but also pushes you to perform better. Organizing your schedule. The first thing you will need is good planning. So divide your schedule into monthly, weekly and daily schedule. Make sure you have proper break time of small intervals too, where you can set some time for your hobbies as well. A proper timetable will give you an idea of what you need to study each day. In order to add productivity to the schedule and your preparation, take 2 subjects in a day, which helps you to bring diversity and better coverage of your syllabus. Review whether the portions you have covered before sleeping are done well. Focus on your weak areas. And apart from it, follow some healthy regime also. Get up on time. But when it is required to rest, please rest. Avoid giving any mental or physical stress to yourself during your preparation, because if your mind is stressed, your mind is tired, you are tired and you couldn't prepare well. You must sleep at least 6 to 8 hours each day and do not cut your sleep time or eating time for the sake of preparation. Please remember, my dear friends, it is very important to take rest and eat healthily. You must eat healthy food during the preparation time. You can manage all your resources effectively. You should do smart work rather than hard work. Know your syllabus well. Budget your time. Assess your time. Prepare your time according to your environment as well. Always remember, 80% of success comes from 20% of your activities, for which you need to ask yourself, if you want victory, are you showing perseverance? If you want success, are you showing hard work? After asking all these questions, track your progress, as tracking your progress can help you locate your productivity. The Civil Services Examinations is considered one of the toughest exam in India, but with thorough preparation, strong determination and proper management of time, one can crack it. As said by Chanakya, do not delay even for a moment in executing. The delay even for a moment causes loss of task. So this is referred here as a man, especially the administrator, should not waste time. A task done at the right time brings good results. So a person as a ruler should try to finish the job in time and not delay it even by 1 minute. So these are some tips to manage your time for the UPSC and Civil Services examinations to prepare for. Hope it helps you somehow. I'll again be back with you with some more topics related UPSC here on this YouTube channel of Prabhat Exams. So please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications on time and we stay connected. All the very best. Stay safe, stay fit. Thank you so much.